friends, this is Anup again with a new tutorial on WordPress. So this time I am going to show you how to install WordPress on cPanel, that is on your dedicated or shared hosting server. In previous video I shown you how to install WordPress on local server. Now this tutorial is about how to install WordPress on online server. So for that I am assuming that you know how to purchase hosting server, shared or dedicated. If you don't know, I will make tutorial for that also. You can comment on this video so I can know that you don't know how to purchase or create or set up a cPanel account from various hosting providers, and we need a domain also. So I have a domain which I am going to use for this video purpose. So let's start. So to install WordPress on the domain, first of all you need to point that domain to this hosting server. Now in cPanel you will scroll down and go to WordPress under Softaculous app installer. Click on WordPress. It will open one new page. Now here there are various options, that is, and we can directly click on install now, or either we can select versions of the WordPress that we need to install. Obviously we will install the latest one. So you can see the versions. I will select the latest one. I need to install on Anup Rathod. No, directly in the root. If you write down here something, or it will be installed in that HTTPS or HTTP, it's not S, still we can use. For that I will create SSL video also. So let us select HTTPS because it's more secure. So directly in the root, not in any directory. So here I will select my site name. You can write anything in description. I'm not going to change description, that can be added afterwards. So these are the personal details that you need to enter. Now I will enter my password. Now my email address, you can type your email address, the personal email address. Now we will scroll down for the more information. So here we need to select our site language, and now we will click on install. So the WordPress setup is installed on anuprathod.com, which is my domain, and if I want to check whether it is installed or not, what I will do is I will click on my URL. It is not yet SSL configured, but I have installed this WordPress on HTTPS because I have plans to install SSL certificate. For that, stay tuned for my next video. My next video will be on SSL update, SSL configuration. So now you will check by clicking this URL. See, the website is loaded. So now we will configure the whole website, and step by step I will include all the tutorials. So if I need to do WordPress login, what I will do is I will go to WP admin URL. WP admin. The host who are supporting SSL at no cost will automatically convert your website to SSL. Here you can see it's provided by Let's Encrypt. Yeah. So here we can log in by entering username and password, the admin username and password, which we have created the admin account at the time of installation. So now it's logged into my admin panel. So guys, if you liked my video, please press like button, subscribe my channel so you can get the latest updates of my videos, and I try to make more videos as soon as possible. Thank you.